In this video, we're going to show you how to install the rear hatch lift supports on your Cadillac Escalade located on either side of the rear hatch. Now before we disconnect the lift support from the vehicle itself, you want to go ahead and support the rear hatch. Either have someone assist you by holding this, or you can use a prop rod of some sort to go ahead and do so. On either end of our lift support is going to be a metal retainer clip. The only tool you're going to need here is a small pocket screwdriver. You're going to come into the back side of the retaining clip, work that in, and then pry that clip out. You don't have to remove it all the way, but if you want to, you can do so. Set that aside. And what you're going to do is gently pull out on this here, making sure that that rear hatch is supported. With that disconnected, we're going to do the same for the upper portion. You can swing this out, pry out that clip, lift that up and off. Go ahead and grab your replacement component, make sure the piston is on the top, line that up, and it already has the metal clip installed on it, so just push that on, snap it into place. Now you can go ahead and line up the bottom. You might have to twist this rod here to get that to line up a little bit. Now you can raise the rear hatch to get that to line up. And once that's lined up, all you have to do is push that onto the ball stud there. Give it a little wiggle, make sure it's locked in. Now you want to go ahead and repeat for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.